Okay sir, I'm making a video just to show the working. Once you have powered it on, how this Fidelity HF42 works. This record is 45 rpm. I'll set the speed on 45 like this. Tick. And now I'll power it on. See, it's powered on and it starts rotating. Pick up this stick very carefully. Very carefully. The needle is very delicate under it. Now I'll place it. This is the volume control. It's really beautiful. I don't need longer frames anymore. This is for the high-low. Again if you wanted to change the track, see, the needle is very delicate under it, so you need to be very careful with it. Again, if you wanted to change the track, see, I'm holding it with like this. Place it very gently, very gently. Okay, once you are done and you wanted to put it like back like this, place it and power it off and remove this disc and put up the lid. And if you wanted to change like 33 rpm like this, and 16 and 78 and neutral, on neutral it will close down. Thank you.